Hey you guys, it's your girl Taz Morena. In my hair right now, just so you guys know, I have them in 4 separate braids. I'm stretching it out because I want to do some mini twists. I'm going to try and do that protective style for the whole month of November. Fingers crossed, because I know how I am. I don't like to wear protective styles too often, but I'm willing to try it. So I washed, conditioned, deep conditioned my hair today and put them in 4 braids just to kind of stretch them out. I'm going to do some dry mini twists, and I'll come back and show you guys the results when I'm all done. But the purpose of this video was just to tell you guys about the Comet Biologics products, give you a little update on how I've been using it, what I think about it. The Moringa Tree Conditioning Ghee, love it. When I tell you I put it in and my hair feels really, really soft the minute I put it in, that's pretty big for me because usually I have to work a product in my hair to kind of get it to absorb it. That stuff, I put it in and automatically my hair it feels silkier, smoother, my curls are popping, stuff is great. I only use it on wet hair. I tried it on dry hair and my hair was like, no. So definitely use that on wet hair. Also, it's good as a deep conditioner, as it says. I actually used it today in my deep conditioning. I used it with some Almond Olive Heavy Cream, honey, and Giovanni Smoothest Silk Conditioner. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but my hair came out really nice. It's strong, it's shiny, and I'm pleased. So definitely in my rotation, especially for the winter. The Cocoa Tree Detangling Ghee, you guys, that stuff is a bomb. I know all you guys that use it, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, for me to be able to dry detangle my hair with a Tangle Teezer and not have any breakage or damage is amazing. So I pretty much use that, like I said, to dry detangle my hair. Whenever I want a more elongated hairstyle is when I'll use it. Also, I'll use it on my ends just to kind of keep them hydrated. But that's really it. That stuff's a bomb. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I love it. And the Aethiopia Hydrate and Twist Butter. That stuff is pretty good too. It leaves my hair extremely soft. Doesn't give me a whole bunch of hold as far as length, as far as days that I can go, with the style, but I love the softness. I love the definition that I get from it. I posted a video before this one showing my results from a dry twist out using those products. So I'm in love, as always. Comet never does me wrong. She never fails. I mean, just for the winter time, just because I want to keep moisture in my hair, and keep it growing. Her products are just amazing. I recommend them to anyone that's interested. Give it a try. You can't go wrong with these products. You cannot go wrong. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'll actually probably come back with another video when I finish my mini twist. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hasta la próxima. Bye.